Working on headlights? No?
I'm not on the truck. I'm going to do a lot of noise today.
All right. Fine. Yeah.
1 minute noise.
Cool. Fire.
We want it flush with it here.
Oh, with the back of the fender?
The thing is, he
Getting there.
doesn't want the, you know, Brad came and he don't want this curve like too much. You want it like straight, but you can't do it straight. Because you
Why
have
not?
to follow with the.
Got it. So you can only go straight, kind of like up here. The rest of it has to be.
The rest have to have the curve.
Yeah.
If I do it straight, it's not gonna match with the fender.
Yeah. No.
So it's hard when the people tell you, oh, what to do, but it's hard when you're trying to put it on.
It looks pretty good though.
Yeah, I already put it down a little bit. And it's gonna need more work, but I'm gonna leave it like that, see how, what he say. And then keep shaving, you know, put it down. You want it more down. So I don't know how.
It looks good though. I know how much work those two headlight buckets have taken so far. They look good. This is the plan for weather stripping as well as just matching the top of the door?
Yeah. Yeah, we did. Well, I did that one. It's just kind of mocked up for now.
This one is mocked up?
Yeah, I just gotta weld it in place.
Got it.
It's gonna get welded completely. Yeah. How long has Tim owned this one? How long has Tim owned this car?
3 years.
Oh.
I don't know when he purchased it. I just know that I've been coming here filming for a year and a half, and they had started at least 6 months before that, I think.
You've been here 2 years?
Well, originally he had wanted just to restore it back to original engine and all that kind of stuff, and then it wasn't until after Bodie had started working on it that Tim went the other direction with electric. So originally his plan for this was not originally electric.
So they had to restart a lot of the work.
To some degree, yes. A lot of work there, Alex.
That's just one engine seat.
Because once Bodie sees and approves, then that you can like finalize it more.
It was going to be better if Tim is here.
I'll see if I can't crack the whip and get him over here.
These ones are longer, so it can go from here. That's how he wants it, like that.
Yeah.
The other one was like to here. You want to ask for that?
What?
You want to ask for it? For that one?
Why? What should I ask? So what is your hope to get accomplished by the end of the day? Or are you...
I'll probably, well, I finished one side. I just gotta finish welding, grinding this, and then finish that top piece, and then...
Top piece meaning this or the one that's by the windshield?
Both. Oh, that one piece, I didn't work on that, Bodie did, but I'll probably take over and do it
Got it.
today. So I leave.
So you're, by the end of the day, you're hoping to, I mean, this will be done and tacked in?
Well, I gotta weld the other piece to it, right here. Weld all that, fine, grind it, and sand it, and make it look nice, and then figure out how we're gonna mount it on, if it's gonna permanently stay on or not.
Got it.